What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color Donatello from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page at the top edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. We start over on the left side. We draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the inside on the right side. Curve this up and then out. Now we're going to curl up the brow. Starting back over on the left, come in and bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Over on the left, we want to step in to create an overlap. Curve the eye coming down. And just pull that up on the inside of the brow. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw the edge of the muzzle just underneath the eyes. We'll start over on the left, curve this up in the middle, and bend that back down. Now we want to leave a gap on the side and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, bend this down, and then up. Now from the ends, we're going to step in, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down, and then back up. Let's add two lines coming down the side. And we'll fill those areas in black. Now you want to separate the teeth just along the side. Come down and in with a short line. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add in the lower lip. Starting back over on the left side, we'll follow the curve of the mouth, coming down and then back up. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left brow, let's step out. Just going to curve the head going out and then down towards the jaw. I'm going to round up the jaw and bend this in underneath that lower lip. Let's draw the bottom edge of the mask. Starting over on the left, curve it down and just tuck that in behind the muzzle. Now we're going to work our way up towards the top of the head. Starting back over on the left, bend this up and then curve that in. And we'll close off the top of the head, going up in the middle, and we'll bend that back down. Now you want to draw the top edge of the mask. Starting back over on the left side, curve this up and in. And bend this in and then down, just leaving a gap in between. And we'll connect the bottom with a slight curve. Now I'm going to draw the end of the mask coming out on the left side. Start from the left side of the head, bend this out, and then down. Bend that back out towards the end. And we want to flatten this off with a straight line. And we'll follow this line, just taping this back in towards the side of the head. Let's add one more along the top. Just going to bend this out and pull that up toward the top. Flatten this off. And then again, we'll just taper this back in towards the side of the head. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw the arms holding the staff across the body. So we're going to start on the left side with the palm. We'll start from the outside, curve this down, and then back up. Now I'll add two large fingers along the top. We'll start over on the left, bend this up, come across, and then down in between. Go back up, around, and then back in on the outside. Let's curl the thumb around the top. Starting on the left, go up, across, and then back down. Now we're going to place the staff in behind that hand coming down at an angle. So let's start from the inside of that finger, come down and across with a straight line. And I'm going to step down and draw that again. Now let's wrap the fingers around on the right side. We'll step up, come down, round out the finger, and pull that up, step down, come down, up, and then in toward the top of the hand. Now I just want to pull this around the finger and then down in behind the staff. Now we're going to continue this line underneath the staff, curl the thumb coming down and out, and just pull that up underneath the finger. Let's extend the staff going out towards the side. We'll start with that top line, go all the way out, draw another line going up and out. We'll extend the bottom Follow that same line towards the end. And close off the end with a curve. Now you want to do the same thing over on the right. So let's carry that top line, coming down and then out. And continue the bottom. Close off the end with a curve. Let's add that wrap around the center of the staff. From the outside of the left hand, curve this around and in. Go around the right hand. I'm going to add some folds along the inside. Starting up here, come down and across. Step over, draw that again. And move over, curve this up and out. Now with the hands and the staff in place, we're going to tuck the body in behind. We start underneath the head over on the left side, curve the body going out and down in behind. Continue out and then down toward the hip. Let's line this up on the right. Going out and then down. Continue on the right side towards the same height. From the left hip, we'll step up and add a curve. To the top of the belt, coming down and up. And then we'll add the knot in the center. We'll start with 2 straight lines coming down. Close this off with a straight line. Let's add the bottoms of the belt. From the bottom corner of the knot, go out and then down towards the bottom. And this up and out towards the side. And we'll pull this back up toward the top corners of the knot. Let's go back out to the hips and curve the belt coming down and then in behind. Now I'm going to add some more detail to the body. From the top, come in and bend that down toward the center of the body. And then from this point, come straight down in behind the staff and continue down towards the belt. Now I'm going to go back and finish off the right arm. Starting on top of the hand, and draw the wrap, going all the way around and then down towards the side of the body. Let's go underneath the head, curve this out, and then down on top. Let's go underneath the head on the left side, curve the arm going out and down in behind the hand. Now to come down towards the bottom, curve the elbow, coming down and then up. From the wrist, step down, add that wristband, coming all the way around and then back up. Now we'll continue working our way down towards the bottom of the feet. From the knot, let's step down, draw a short line going across. And then we're going to bend the left leg. From the left side, angle this down and out towards the knee. Bend this back in and then down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. Bring this down and then up towards the toe. And then we'll draw on the first toe, drawing a large C shape. Let's tuck the second toe in behind, going around and then back in. I'm going to go back up to the hip, curve the leg going out and then down towards the knee. Bend this out and then down on top of the first toe. Now I'm going to draw the right leg extended out towards the side. We'll start from here, bend this out and then down towards the heel. And we'll round out the foot going towards the toe. Draw the first toe with a backward C. Draw the second toe in behind. Now let's go back up to the hip. I'm going to curve the outside leg going out, and we'll bend that down on top of the first toe. Now we're going to add in the knee pads. Starting from the outside of the leg, bend this up and then down. Let's go up above the knee. Just going to go up a little bit higher and then out. Let's line up the inside over on the right, bend this up and out, step up, and draw that again. Let's separate the knee pads in half with a curve on the left and then the right side. And then we'll separate that outside area going horizontally. Now you want to connect the hips with the inside leg with a curve going in behind the belt. Continue on the inside. And then finally, we're going to place the shell in behind the body. Let's start underneath the head, just going around the arm and hand. Bring that down. Come down underneath, bend this down and in towards the hips. And now we're going to go in with our medium green and fill in the head, the arms, and the legs. Let's start over on the left side. our way around the mask in the mouth. Use a darker green for the outside of the shell. And then our yellow for the inside of the body. Now we're going to fill the mask in with our purple. And once we've finished our coloring, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Donatello. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.